Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tailor. Once again, I welcome you back to this channel. If you are new on this channel, kindly consider subscribing. Please also like, comment and share this video. Thank you. In this video, we'll be making a scrunchie with a twist. I'll be making use of my scrap fabric. I have this bridal satin here. And this is 20 by 4.5. I have this 3D lace fabric here too for the bow. And this is 10 by 5.5. So like we did in the last video, today we'll be using another method for making our scrunchie. So I'll go to my sewing machine now and sew from this end to this end. Remember in the last video, we left 2 inches at both ends. But for this video, we will be sewing from this end to this end. So let's go to our sewing machine. I also need to sew this. I'm going to fold this over like this, and I'll need to sew. I'm going to leave like 2 inches here just for me to able to turn this fabric to the right side. So I'll sew from this edge here and here. Then I'm going to sew from here too. So I'll leave this side just for me to be able to turn this fabric over to the right side. This is what I have, both sides sewn from this end, from one end to the other end. And this, from this, I left like 2 inches. Then I sewed around here. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'll turn it over to the right side as usual. I don't want to use the scissors to pull the edges out because this fabric is very, very delicate. It's mesh, and you know mesh is very, very delicate. So I'm just going to use my finger to pull it out. And I'll go back to my machine and close this end. This is what I have here. The next thing I'll need to do is to insert my elastic into this. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut like 8 inches of elastic. You might make it 7 inches too, or 9. So this time around, I'm not going to tie it. I'll take it to my machine and just join the elastic together. Now, I have my zigzag stitch. I have joined the elastic together. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to fold in one of the edges. I'll fold it in and just insert the second one into it. Aligning the same side. So I'll just take it over to my machine and sew on top of it like this. So this is what I have here. So you may decide to leave it this way, but I'm going to design this with a bow. So this is what I have here. I have this. In the comment section, let me know what you think. Which of the methods do you prefer? Do you prefer this method or the first one we did? And I'd like to know why you prefer the particular method that you choose. So let's go ahead and finish this up. So I have this. The next thing I want to do is to make a bow with this. So I'm just going to pleat this. It actually depends on any method that works for you. I'm going to pleat this. And I need to hold it down with a needle and thread. And it is not a must for you to use lace, you know. You can use any fabric that you like. It can be any fabric that you like, not necessarily lace. It might be denim, it might be any fabric that you like. So we are getting there. You make sure that the tine falls at the middle of this bow. Then the next thing I'll need to do is to cut just a piece of fabric. Just to hold this. As you are doing it, you have to keep adjusting. Then we'll come to the back here and so you can trim up the excess. And with your needle and thread, just secure the back. Of course, you know you need to use a matching thread, right? Just hold this down. So our scrunchie with bow is ready. Well, we have come to the end of making a bow with making a scrunchie with bow. I would like you to try it out and give me feedback. Thank you for stopping by. If you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing and please share this video. Let it go viral. Thank you so very much, and remember that you are amazing.